first go to search and search for a location. So I'm going to select New York. Then you can zoom further and you can check this landscape. Also you can use these tools to adjust your view. Then we can use this tool which is called the sunlight across the landscape. So after clicking that, in this small window you can see how it changed the sunlight with the time. And there is a slide animation. You can click on that and you can automatically play the animation as you want. Let's see. So if you want to check this further, what you can do is you can go to this man icon and you can drag it into this street view. Then you can observe these sunlight changes at the ground level like this. Then I'm going to a specific location. So this is pre-edited location at the Liberty statue. So at this site I will show you can do some settings changes like the date of the ending date as well as the time zone that you are suggesting, and the speed of the animation, faster or slower, then the loop of the animation. Then you can play the animation like this. And so if you want to make a rotation, what you can do is you can click shift with arrow key. So I'm clicking shift with left arrow key in here. So that is it. Like that you can use this sunlight across the landscape in Google Earth.